Good morning, grade 2. Today's Friday, and we're going to do our daily language review, okay? First thing you do is you write your name, Mrs. Moyudin. There we go. Okay, now let's read the directions. Find the missing word. Remember, Friday is usually different. It gives you a little bit of a review. So these are things that we have done already, okay? I want an ice cream cone with and cherry on top. Okay, now we know if we know how to use and, to know how to use and, we have to know what the word is starting with in front of it, behind it. Okay, so and is only used if there is a vowel here. What are our vowels? A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, is I up here? Yes, it is. It's a vowel, so we're using an. Okay, right here, let's look at the next one. Cherry on top. Cherry, is C a vowel? No, it's not, so we're going to use A. I want an ice cream cone with a cherry on top. Sounds good, doesn't it? Okay, number 2. An plane flew over my house. Okay, let's look at this word. Okay, is P a vowel? No, it's not. So we're going to use A. Let's read it again to make sure it makes sense. A plane flew over my house. Does it make sense? Yes, it does. Good job. Okay, next one, number 3. Will you eat? Will you eating? Or will you ate supper at my house? Okay. There's a couple things we're going to do. You're asking somebody if they're going to be doing something in the future, okay? So you're not going to use ate. That's out. That's past tense. Will you eating? Will you be eating supper at my house? There's no be here, though. Will you eat supper at my house? That's the only one that makes sense, okay? And the will right here makes it something that's going to happen in the future. Good job. That blue bird landed or landing on the tree branch. Okay, that blue bird that doesn't make sense, doesn't it? That blue bird landed on the tree branch. Okay, that one makes sense. Let's look at the next one. That blue bird landing. Okay, with landing, it's continuous. We need is landing, was landing, will be landing, and none of those are there. So this is the only one that makes sense, okay? That blue bird landed on the tree branch. Very good. Let's look at the last one. Did he swam, or swim across the lake? Okay, it's something, you're asking about something that happened in the past, okay? Did right here is going to make it past, and we're just going to use the simple form of the verb because we don't want to double do the past tense. Did he swim across the lake? Very good. That was a nice, quick little review. You guys did a great job. Thank you. See you after a while. Bye. Hey, you guys. This is Mrs. Moyudin, and we're going to do our daily math review for Friday. Mrs. Moyudin. First thing I want to do is write my name so everybody knows it's my paper. Okay, let's look at this. It says, read the graph, then answer the questions. Okay, let's look at the graph here. Is over here so you guys can see it properly. It says shoes. There's a shoe there, and it equals 2 children. Okay, so this is the scale, and this is the key. Okay, so 1 shoe equals to 2 children. Okay, buckles, shoelaces, Velcro, and pull-on. And then it says how many children had these types of shoes. Look here, they're so tiny because so many of them had Velcro shoes. They had to make them smaller. It's cute, isn't it? Okay, let's read. What does it say? Number 1, how many children wore shoes with, and then there's a colon here, and then it's going to a whole list after it. So it's got different things. If you have a colon, it'll have a list after it. With Velcro, with buckles, with shoelaces. Okay, so let's look at the Velcro first. Velcro is right here. It's the tiny ones. Remember, each one counts for 2, so we just have to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There we go. So we're going to put 12 here. Okay. Buckles. Buckles next. Let's see buckles. 2, 4. I don't think too many people wear buckles anymore, do they? Okay, shoelaces. Do you guys know how to tie your shoelaces? It's a very important skill. 2, 4, 6, 8. Maybe while you're at home, you can learn how to tie your shoelaces. That would be fun, wouldn't it? Okay, number 2. What kind of shoe did most children wear? Okay, the one that had the most. Okay. Well, right here we've got all these here, and there's less of the pull-ons. We have to look at this too, even though because it didn't ask us the question. 1, 2, 3, 4 types. They didn't ask us about those, but those are not. More is this one, right? Velcro. It said here 12, so we're going to write Velcro here. Okay, this means it's a registered trademark. Somebody has invented that and they want credit for it, but we don't have to write that there. What kind of shoe did the fewest children wear? Okay, let's see. There's 2 here, 4 here, 6 here, and 3 here. So it's the buckles. That's, like I said, not too many children wear buckles anymore, do they? At least to school. Okay. And number 4, how many children are shown on the graph? We have to count them all. I love counting by twos. It's a fast way to get somewhere, isn't it? Let's count them all. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay, I counted 30. Let's do something else with it. Let's multiply here. Let's count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 times 2. Remember I showed you guys how to do this. If you don't know how to do it, it doesn't matter. You don't have to do it. We counted by twos and we got the answer. We're just going to check now. This is something new. 2 times 5 is 10. So I put the 0 there and the 1 there. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 30 here, 30 there, same answer. Good job, you guys. Wow, we're finished for the week. Good job. Bye.